welcome back. So today I am doing my upside down the beauty box with porcelain. I don't know, the beauty box unboxing. This is a quarterly month subscription and it retails for, I'm gonna try and put it up here, Canadian. This is Canadian. This is how much I pay. Anyway, let's get into this box. Okay, so this must be who they collabed with here. This lovely lady. I think this is porcelain, right? I think so. Alright, I have opened this and kind of played around. I did get this a little while ago. Actually, I got it while I was out of town. But I just have been trying to figure out this camera and this new computer, editing and all this kind of stuff, and I just wasn't feeling it. You know what I mean? When you're just not feeling up to filming. You know, it just was having a week like that. So let's jump into Tribox. Let me know if you subscribe to Tribox and what you think of it. If you're in the US, let me know if your boxes are any different than mine. And if you're in Canada, do you think it's worth the exchange rate price? Don't forget to subscribe and hit that little bell button and a thumbs up and do all that great stuff. Leave me a comment down below on your favorite thing in this box. First products, which I wasn't super excited about it. Mostly because this is a more expensive box. So I'm expecting more expensive products. You know, these are Masquerade hydrating and yeah, both hydrating facial masks. This is a Detox Diva and this is a Beauty Restore. Now these masks do retail for $6 a piece. But again, you know, like what we saw in BoxyCharm last month, give me some Tatcha. You know, I pay a lot of money for this box. There should be some high-end stuff in here. And as far as I know, Masquerade isn't like super high-end, but it's okay. This is a collaboration with this lady, so obviously this is that lady's favorite. So I'm excited to give these a try. I do love doing Mask Monday, and we will be getting on to that. So again, because I missed a little bit, but there was a Mask Monday yesterday. I don't know when it'll be when you see this, but it was yesterday in real time. But we will give those a go. Next, as you can see, I've definitely gotten into it. This is the Block Party by Suva Beauty. Alright, let's see. Suva Beauty Block Party. This retails for $30. A colorful 10-shade eyeshadow palette for a bold and wild, playful look. So, it's very interesting packaging. Now, I will say, those are definitely bright colors. I kind of wish I would have got the saffron palette because there were two options to this. Not because it was $35, but because it is 9 shades of warm tones. But, you know, I do have a lot of warm tone palettes, so I should be excited to get something like this. I'm dying to swatch this. You guys want to see what this looks like? I'm dying. And this yellow. Those are hard to do. So let's do this beautiful green and this beautiful yellow. If these are amazing, then I will take back everything I said. Oh! Okay. Let's see how they swatch. Oh my goodness. Please be good, yellow. Well, actually not too darn bad. Okay. I'll partially take back what I said. I need to get a makeup. Okay, next is something I was excited to see. Luxie brushes. Now these are high-end, amazing brushes. I have gotten a few in different subscription boxes. This is a 4-piece set. This is a flawless eye set that retails for $30. Take your party looks to the next level with this professional grade eye brush set. Tackle the most precise eye looks with this set. So, these are the brushes that we received. I'm excited to add them to my collection. I do love seeing brushes. That was exciting. Next is a Wander Beauty product. Now, you know these guys are in every single subscription box, so I was not super surprised to see them and not super excited, but it is something I don't have, so I will say that's not too bad. This is a Glow Ahead Face Oil. This retails for $48, a signature blend of 8 powerful yet lightweight beauty oils that instantly restore skin's youth, balance, and glow. This is what the tube looks like. It's cute. There it is there. So let's just, you know, it's just a plastic little applicator. Okay, so it is just legit an oil. Okay, I'm just gonna take a drop of this oil and show you guys. Oh, it's not gonna focus on you guys. I'm sorry. There. Okay, so actually, okay, it feels really nice. So I'm just gonna read.
This luxury multitasking oil that instantly hydrates and absorbs into the skin. A blend of oils including raspberry, meadow foam, evening primrose, which is really good, and geranium oil work to soothe and refresh skin's natural moisture barrier. Skin is left looking more radiant, healthy, and supple.
It smells like flowers. That's the gardenia for sure. That's a very pungent smell. Okay, so how does it say we should use it? Gently squeeze tube to release a couple drops of Glow Ahead face oil into fingertips, massage onto skin until fully absorbed. I don't know whether we use this day or night or whatever, but I guess it's a face oil. You can use it whatever way you want. But it does, like, just soak right into the skin. Kind of impressed. I may add that to my makeup regime. Or not my makeup, my skincare. Alright, last product is a Iby, I-B-Y. Why did I say Iby? I'm pretty sure it's just I-B-Y. Beauty Velour Liquid Lips. Liquid to matte lipstick retails for $12. You can get it in Berry or Naked. I got mine in Flirt. Okay, so that's neither Berry or Naked. Highly pigmented and indulgent, this creamy liquid matte lipstick creates a larger-than-life smile that is vivid and luxurious. Okay, so I didn't even get one of the colors that they said they would send. But alright. Flirt, let's hope it's a decent color. Okay. I can get behind that. Let's see. It's a typical doe foot applicator. Just smells like makeup, so nothing fancy. And it is a really pretty color. I really like that. Okay. Okay. I need to get out of my comfort zone. I am wearing something that's a little bit out of my comfort zone right now. It is a pink lipstick, which I don't typically wear a lot of. I wear a lot of nude. Alright, so 24. Okay, so $132 if my math is correct. I didn't use a calculator. I just kind of did it in my head. So let me know if I'm right. Yeah. I guess that's not too bad, but it is what it is. I am going to quickly show you my BoxyCharm, if that's okay. If you want to X out, you know, close out now, I understand. But I just kind of want to get it up and show you what I got in this month's BoxyCharm. If you don't want to watch, totally okay with that, I understand. It is the Afterglow. First product is the Too Faced Better Than Sex Mascara, which retails for $24. I was pretty excited to see this because I've never actually tried it. So, and I've tried it and it's not blowing my socks off, unfortunately. Alright, next product is the Pharmacy Clean Bee Ultra Gentle Facial Cleanser. This is $22. So smooth and hydrate your skin with while lifting dirt, excess oil, impurities, grime, and makeup. It is very thick. It's like honey. But I have tried this and it works really well. I was hoping I want to get their like balm one. So I think I'll order that. Next was the big one that everybody was excited about and everybody got, I'm pretty sure. It's the No Pore Blum Primer. Smooth and pore covering. Top secret for perfect makeup. I can't talk. Alright, this retails for $18. Everybody was very excited to get this. Seems pretty good. Everybody was excited, so there's got to be a reason, right? It's a very thin primer. Let's see, a little bit goes a long way. Makes the skin look smooth, so. Has a very fruity smell. That's nice. That was $18. I don't know if I said that. Next is a Pretty Vulgar product. This is the Pretty Vulgar Shimmering Swan Glow Up Highlighter is what I got. And this retails for $32. Their packaging's always very cute, but super cheap. Like it's like plastic. There is the highlight. Here we go. Just a typical highlight. I wouldn't say it's anything super, super fancy. I know some people got bronzers. I'm happy I got a highlight. And last thing in the box is a Trestique Prime and Glaze Lip Crayon. Retails for $25. Mine is in English Rose. Again, definitely out of my comfort zone. So here is the little primer that is built into the end. And then the pencil is actually shaped uniquely. It's like different shape. Alright, let's see. Okay, so that's definitely out of my comfort zone. I will... Oh! I like that. It's magnetized. Okay, that's everything I got in those two subscription boxes. If you did make it this far, thank you so much. Leave me a little dragon emoji down there if you made it this far. Thank you guys again so much for watching. Don't forget to like, comment, share, and subscribe, and I'll see you on the next one.